The Dhaka Elevated Expressway construction work has been halted for 2 weeks amid conflict between stakeholders. The Appellate Division has issued a 2-week status quo order on the transfer of Italian-Thai company's stake in the Dhaka's Elevated Expressway to China's Sino Hydro Corporation Limited. The full appellate bench of 8 judges headed by the Chief Justice Obadul Hassan passed the order together today after hearing an appeal of the Italian-Thai company. The Appellate Division said it will decide after looking at the full judgment of the High Court. Earlier, on May 12, the High Court withdrew the stay order, removing any hurdle in transferring the shares. After the AC's ruling, lawyers representing the Chinese company said the problem would be resolved and the project work would resume in full swing. The Italian-Thai company later appealed to the Appellate Division against this order.
নগদে ৫০০ টাকা বা তার বেশি পেমেন্টে পেতে পারেন ঢাকায় জমিসহ ২০ কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।